Ice Storm 2017, and my mom jumped into this one. I didn't record that, but she's taking pictures, because she likes to take pictures, and it's really fun to jump in these, even though it's really cold on the legs, and I already know, my dad's going to see this video, he's going to get onto me, why were you wearing shorts? I want to show some more of the ice here, because it's cool. Our swing set. Ice. There we go. I might break the chains because it's so cold. How is this? There we go. Oh, there's some tree branches cracking. There we go. Any ice on this? There's definitely some ice on this. Oh God, there's a tree. Our tree's freaking moving. It's starting to crack. It's gonna go, and it's the branch right over the power cords. I just saw the power cords move. It's the big branch. It's cracking up there. Let's see if I can point it out. On the way up there. See it? The big one right there I'm pointing at. My finger's kind of on it. It's right over the branches. And it's cracking. Just cracking. Yeah. I don't think that's good. Well, I'm probably not helping because I'm touching everything. Oh, here's some ice. Well, not thick ice, but ice. Here's a good example of ice right here. Get some ice covering the board. Ah! If you could break fabric, this is the time to do it. Looks like I broke fabric. That is freezing cold. Oh, I just stepped on the perfect beauty, so I'm just gonna step on some more. Oh, here's some better to show you. Holy crap, my hands are freezing. Oh, the wind's blowing. Yeah, I'll just show you that over there. See the? I don't think you can see the white, but I can see a lot of white. Looks like everything's made out of crystal. As you can see. I don't see the basketball net. Not this ball. Oh my God, the ball's covered in ice. It's okay, ball. I'm here to save you. Let's break it up. Okay. That's pretty neat. Let's throw it. Ice like it's football. Okay. Oh no, my camera. Yeah. It's fogging up. It's getting glary because the camera's warm and the outside is cold. I think I'm going to turn off the camera right after I break some ice on the mailbox. Ooh, that sounded pretty. Let's see. Okay, I can show you our mailbox since it doesn't have our number on it. Okay. All the trees are cracking again. Okay, I'm gonna show you this tree now. Cause this tree got hit with the car. I gotta show you the car now. Eh. Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. I know, it's gonna fall. Oh, God, I'm gonna break something. Okay, guys. Got my jacket here. It's gotten lower. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna show you the truck. There, I got some on the internal side. I'm scared to touch that because it's glass. Looks like we got some. You can crack this, it's thin. Let's do it. Looks like we're breaking our car. I hope we're not breaking anything. I don't think we're getting anywhere soon. Trapped in the house. Need my elbow to reach this side. That bad? I think that's bad. Dodge. More crackling. I'm gonna go, guys. See you